Hi everyone, if you're watching this video, it means that just like me, you are struggling aligning your vise with your mill axis or that you're not happy with the results you get. No black magic here, I will simply use the autocollimator setup that I've shown you in a previous video. The autocollimator allows you to track the pitch and yaw of a reference optical surface such as this right angle prism from Dorlabs. If we now put that prism on the vise and we send a collimated beam of light onto it, we can get an output beam with an angle that is twice that of the angle between the vise and the mill axis. We can then turn the vise until the reflected beam is perfectly in line with the original beam. At that moment, the vise will be perfectly aligned with the mill axis. Okay, that part was easy, but you will ask, how do you align the autocollimator with the mill axis in the first place? How do you create that reference line? To perform that trick, I will use a block of metal that I will cut using an end mill to create a reference flat surface that is perfectly aligned with the mill axis. By placing the prism on that reference surface, we will be able to align the autocollimator with the mill axis. That was theory, but let's now get hardcore. Start by machining the flat surface into an aluminum block like this one. Don't forget to clean up the edge to have a nice surface afterwards. Remove any grease using acetone before placing the prism. Now put your autocollimator in place and start your favorite image acquisition software. At first the reticle image will not be centered, but that's normal, don't panic. Rotate your autocollimator until the reticle reaches the center of the image. You can use software features to help you be precise. Once the autocollimator is aligned with the mill axis, you can remove the part and place the prism on the vise. You can eventually flip the part over to stay at the same height. Last part is now to adjust the vise angle. For better precision, I'm using a fine pitch screw with a ball head. You can build one from the last part easily. Once the reticle is aligned, hold the vise firmly and tighten all the screws. And that's it. If you liked the video, please subscribe to this channel.